Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best treadmills of 2025, perfect for running, walking, or just staying active at home. Whether you have a small space, need smart features, or want a treadmill that can handle heavy workouts, I've got you covered. I'll go through each treadmill, its key features, pros, cons, and who it's best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Treadmills for Home 3 HP Folding Treadmill. This treadmill is perfect for home use with a 0 to 15% auto incline, a 3 HP motor, and a weight capacity of 300 pounds. It also comes with Bluetooth connectivity and a pulse monitor for tracking your heart rate. It's great for both walking and running. The Incline feature helps simulate outdoor terrain, and the folding design saves space when not in use. The Bluetooth feature lets you play music while you work out, which is a nice touch. Pros: strong motor for running and walking, auto incline up to 15%, Bluetooth and pulse monitor, foldable design for easy storage. Cons: can be a bit noisy at high speeds, assembly may take some time. A solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile home treadmill. Number 2. THERUN Incline Treadmill. This treadmill comes with a 3.5 HP motor, a 0 to 15% incline, and a 300 pounds weight capacity. It also has a wide belt, app connectivity, and heart rate monitoring. THERUN is perfect for serious runners. The wide belt gives you more room, and the incline is smooth for interval workouts. The app integration makes tracking your fitness easy. Pros: strong motor and wide belt, smooth incline adjustment, app and heart rate monitoring. Cons: slightly larger footprint, needs more space, higher price point. Best for fitness enthusiasts who want a treadmill for more intense workouts. Number 3. Foldable walking pad treadmill with dual display, mute control, and can be used under your desk. Bluetooth and app control are included. Perfect for home offices or apartments. It's quiet, so you can walk while working without disturbing others. The foldable design makes storage super easy. Pros: quiet operation, compact and foldable, dual display and app control. Cons: not ideal for heavy runners, limited incline compared to full-size treadmills. Best for light walking, small spaces, and under-desk workouts. Number 4. Walking pad treadmill with 12% incline. This treadmill offers a 0.6 to 10 mph speed range, 12% incline, and a 4-in-1 design for home or office use. It has Bluetooth speakers and app integration. Versatile treadmill for casual users. Great for walking, light jogging, and staying active while at work or home. The incline and Bluetooth speakers are nice bonus features. Pros: lightweight and portable, 12% incline, Bluetooth speakers and app, foldable and easy to store. Cons: not suitable for intense running, smaller deck size. Perfect for people looking to stay active at home or in the office. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness OneClick-Fold Smart Treadmill. A fully assembled smart treadmill with auto incline, 20-inch running surface, and the Sunny Fit app for tracking workouts. Convenience is the highlight here. No assembly required, and the smart features allow you to monitor your progress easily. It's ideal for users who want a ready-to-go treadmill without the hassle. Pros: fully assembled, auto incline and smart app, foldable for easy storage. Cons: smaller running surface, may be expensive for beginners. Great for those who want a smart treadmill with minimal setup. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 treadmills of 2025. I hope this video helped you find the perfect treadmill for your home, office, or workout routine. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future reviews. Check out the links in the description to see these treadmills and grab the one that fits your needs. Stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.